morning. Hope y'all are doing well. Today is January 14th, so it's day 14 of our devotionals. And today it says, Angels under God's command. Psalms 91 verse 11. For he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. Psalms 34 verse 7. The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear him, and he delivers them. Daniel chapter 6 verses 21 and 22. Daniel answered, My God sent his angels, and he shut the mouths of the lions. They have not hurt me, because I was found innocent in his sight. Mark chapter 13 verse 27. He will send his angels and gather together his elect from the four winds, from the furthest part of the earth to the furthest part of heaven. Matthew 24 verses 30 and 31. The sign that the Son of Man is coming will appear in the heavens, and there will be deep mourning among all the peoples of the earth. And they will see the Son of Man coming in on the clouds of heaven with power and great glory, and he will send out his angels with a mighty blast of a trumpet, and they will gather his chosen ones from all over the world, from the furthest ends of the earth to heaven. Exodus chapter 23 verse 20. Behold, I send an angel before you to guard you on the way, and to bring you to the place that I have prepared. And at the bottom it says, angels were created by God to serve him and to be under his control. The word angel means messenger of God. You don't honor and worship them because they are created creatures. God has equipped them with tremendous power and made them his army, ready to exercise his will. Michael is the main administrator, and Gabriel is responsible for bringing God's special word to people. You cannot tell them what to do because they are in the service of God and respond to his command only. And that's today's devotional, angels. The Bible also says to be careful what you say and do, because you could be entertaining an angel. So I believe angels are all around us, protecting us, leading, helping us. But I love you guys. I hope you all have a blessed day. We have another big snowstorm coming, so I'm going to try to get to the store before people start packing in. But I hope you all have a very blessed day. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.